What's going on, YouTube? We back with another one. Hey, be okay, family. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Yo, I had to get this video out to y'all this day. It's been a scorcher today. I think it's like 90 something and it's late at night, so it's hot here in the D. But I had to bring this video to y'all. Y'all probably see me sweating or whatever, got a little fade, a little sweat going on. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Just know it ain't the video just hot. It ain't the shoes is just hot. Look, this whole setup and everything I got going on is hot. Heat wave. Yes, flames in the chat. Flames in the chat. Yo, we'll put the flames in the comment section below, man. Flames in the comment section below. Yo, I want y'all to, y'all know I'm an Air Force One head and what these shoes represent. Hey, you know what I want? And I've been seeing a lot of shoes. I don't know if they got it in the working or what they got going on, but I want to see some more Detroit collabs with Nike. Like, I really do. I really want to see what Detroit collabs they're going to pull out or what they got coming out. The city is on the rise. I just really need to see some Detroit collabs. Adidas always do the top 10, 313, all that little stuff. I need to see more Nike in there, man. I really do. I just think they missing out on a huge market. You know what I'm saying? We kind of in that same thing with the Air Forces, like New York. Like, we just kind of pick up on that, and we really got some style here. You know, we really do. So, I went on a rant. I went on a tangent. Y'all seen the thumbnail. That's the reason y'all clicked on this. But we got a box. We got it's here. I have not seen these in person. Okay. Thank you, Nike, or FedEx, or thank you, UPS. I don't know what happened. Yeah, thanks. Y'all like kind of smashed the box. I don't know how or what or when and where like that happened, but yeah, let's get into this package. And then, like, this package don't even say where it's from though. Like, it's nothing on this package but the tagging and stuff. Like, hope these mine, like the everything said it right on there. They don't got no, normally it has some labeling and what on there. They don't have none of that. The crazy thing is the top of the box. Like, oh, if they came in an old school Nike box, they did. You got the old school Nike box. You don't see these no more, man. You don't see these. This is the old school. You got these, man. This is back in the day, old school. Like you've seen a lot of Air Maxes and stuff like this in these boxes, man. You don't see them like that no more. You don't see them like that no more. But let's get to it, though. Let's get to it. I ain't seen them. This is my first time, so we're going to all see this together. And boy, is it hot. It's hot, man. We're going to all see this together. So, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Bam. We got that. We got that. Let's pop that open. One more. Bam. 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 Look. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. Let's sit this down. Let's get him out. So, off rip, you know what I'm going to say. Y'all know what I'm going to say. Shout out to the customizers. Because this is what Nike went with, I swear. I've watched so many videos of them customizing shoes and putting different stuff on there. Nike just had to. Bam, 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 bam. Shout out to them. This did come in men's, women's, and kids. This is the Nike Air Force One Flea. This shoe is a representation of the open flea markets in Los Angeles, LA area, with all the open air flea markets and stuff like that. With look, the colors on here is sail, coconut milk white, onyx, and dark marine blue. This is a dope shoe. Like I said, I want something different in my collection. This to be a shoe that everybody forget about. I have them sitting on that ice, and then I'll pull them out. This is gonna be definitely one of them shoes. And the inside, you got that Los Angeles inside of there. On the tongue, you got Nike Air Force One Anniversary Edition. So if y'all can see that there, bam, Anniversary Edition. You got that white on the bottom. I think that Nike sign is cold with the frayed look on it. Yes, that frayed look. Y'all see it sticking up. Yes. Just a lot of different stuff on this. I like the stitching on here. I like the little different flowers you got around here. It's a lot going on with this shoe, man. It's a lot going on with this shoe. We ain't gonna talk the laces. Look, so people gonna see these and be like, man, them are a custom. They not. They probably did. This rope lace is cold. I like the different threading on high look on the rope lace. So if y'all catch that, catch a glimpse of that. I think that's cold. I think they really set it off with this pair. And what I think they should have did, and just me talking, is they should have put different materials on both of them. Like, they should have went all out bounds with it. But this is like the tote bags you carry and stuff like that you see when you go to the flea markets and stuff like that. Yeah, you got all type of material on this, man. You'll have to see this to like really get a good glimpse on it. But it's a lot of dope materials on this shoe, man. A lot of dope materials. And let me tell you, so I'm gonna go on my little tangent here because I got to. I feel like I got to, man. Look, the sneaker app is a bunch of BS. And I know some people hit on it or whatnot, but it's a bunch of BS, and I'm gonna tell you why. This shoe here dropped on sneakers app. When I went to purchase it, it would not let me purchase it at all. It would not go through. It kept erroring out every single time. Now understand this. This shoe did not sell out. This is not a sellout shoe. This shoe is still sitting on Nike at this moment, right now. If you want them, go get you a pair. It's still sitting on Nike right now. But the thing is, so it sits on there all day, on the sneakers app all day. I click over to the Nike app, it's there. I go on there, click on the Nike app, and instantly I bought it. I swear, within 2 to 3 hours, instantly I bought it. I don't know what's going on with the sneaker app. I don't know what they need to change it, but if we can't even get a shoe that we know is not going to sell out, nobody's checking for these. Nobody. And y'all probably made a dumb amount of these, Nike, but you still couldn't even cop it on the sneakers app, man. I don't understand it. I don't get it, but hey, I'm done with the sneakers app. If I can't cop nothing on the sneakers app, I won't. And let's not even get into trying to get the Travis Scott a week ago, because this will be coming out. It'll probably be a week since that dropped. Let's not even get into that. Went for a size 12. Couldn't even get it. Could not cop it. Couldn't even put it in a cart. Could not do anything. Now, mind you, on the Travis Scott site, they say over 2.4 million people tried to just get into that and get into the raffle. Who knows how many people got on the sneakers app to even get on it? Like, that's it just don't make sense to me. The shoe right now going for $1,200 on StockX, but we all know StockX and what's going on with them. So I'm pretty sure, I'm guessing this price might go down because it's the reverse, but it might not. I'm not a hype beast. I don't care about hype shoes. I go for what I like and I go with what's different. As y'all can see in my collection behind me, there's nothing that was really hyped up behind me. Some might have been, some I haven't, but there was nothing that I really rock with this hype. So in instance, I wasn't sad about it. What I do want to work is the app when I go to purchase something off of. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. Even give you different options, like come up with something that's more compromising, that's not as compromising to your buyer. Your buyer is looking to give you money. So if we can't give you money to purchase something from you, it makes us harder or less believing into this app. The real sneakerheads that I know really don't even mess with the app, or they got 6 to 7 accounts. I don't care. I don't want that. I don't want to go down that road. I don't resell. Well, I sell shoes that I don't wear no more. I'm not a reseller. So I don't really care about that aspect of that. I'm a Air Force head. Shout out to the Louis Vuitton sneakers. Virgil Cole sneakers, just not my type of tee. Not going after them, not spending that type of bucks for them. That's kind of out of my league. But sneaker, the Flea is here. Air Force One. Go cop them. These run 140, I think it is. It's a dope shoe. I think it's gonna stand the test of time. So if you get that opportunity to go cop it, cop it. And if it's not your cup of tea, that's fine. That's fine. I do honestly think this will be one of them shoes that'd be great for the whole family to wear. So it is in a full size run. And hey, once again, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz coming to you with another banger. And hey, stay blessed, be blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings, y'all. We out.